I just wanted to give you a panoramic view of what I'm looking at. We don't usually take this way that often because it's a lot longer and both of us get tired. Me more than B. But I forgot how beautiful it looks, how peaceful it is. The wind blowing through the grass, the whisper of the winds, the messages Mother Nature is imparting on us, the bittersweet wrapped around the trees, but the trees still live. The huge wild roses that are sprinkled throughout these baby trees. It's just so peaceful, so beautiful. I hope you have some place like this by you where you can go to connect with Mother Earth, to hear her whispers, the whispers that hold wisdom. Until next time.